Hello everyone and welcome to the Vlinkaz channel. In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove Copilot from your PC. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, click Apps, then Installed Apps. Use the search box to type in Copilot, and you should see two applications, Microsoft Copilot. Click the three horizontal dots next to Microsoft Copilot, select Uninstall, and confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Repeat the same steps for the other Copilot application. This will remove Copilot from the taskbar. Next, we need to make a change in the Registry editor. Open the Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and click on it. Expand a current user, then expand Software, then Policies, and then Microsoft. Click on the Windows folder. Right-click on the Windows folder, select New Key, and name it Windows C Pilot with a capital W and C. Select this new folder, right-click in the blank space, and choose New DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Turn Off Windows Copilot, capitalized T, O, W, and C. Double-click this value, change the value data to 1, and click OK. Finally, restart your computer. After the restart, Microsoft Copilot will be completely removed from your system. Hopefully, this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.